Hi, I'm Grace. In this video, I'm going to share with you a project I've been working on for months, which can help you improve your Chinese tones. 有可能，有可能。Oh, my pitch looks so different from the native speakers. I should work on this more. I'm super excited to finally be able to share this with you. This is a mini drill course I developed with Emurse. Now I'm going to talk about what we offer in the course so you can see whether this is for you. And also at the end, there will be a special time-limited discount code for you. So remember to watch to the end. If you have been struggling with differentiating between different Chinese tones and don't know if you're pronouncing words with the correct tones, I believe you will love the tools provided in the course. This mini course provides 300 common Chinese phrases. You can choose between simplified and traditional characters, and also switch between pinyin and 注音 in the settings. The thing I like the most is that there's a pitch visualization tool for you to see the actual pitch of the tones for each phrase. Like this. 加油. You can also record your own pronunciation to see if your pitch matches that of the native speaker, which is me, by the way. I recorded all the audio myself. Now let's try to say the phrase with imperfect tones and see how we can improve using this tool. And just a quick side note, when you're recording, make sure you're in a quiet environment. And if you have a great microphone, that's even better. Okay, let's try saying it. 加油. 加油. Okay, here you can see that the middle part of the native speaker's pitch starts fairly low and then rises. This is how you pronounce the second tone. Here, my second tone didn't start low enough, which is a common mistake many students make. So remember, the second tone should start at a relatively low pitch. Let's try it again. 加油. 加油. Okay, now you can see that the current pitch pattern is much closer to the native speakers. This is how you can use this tool to observe and improve your tones effectively. If you still find it challenging to match the pitch, try practicing along with the reference recording a few times before you record yourself again. You can also use the looping feature to listen to the phrase repeatedly. Just long press the play button. 加油. 加油. Below, you can self-rate your performance. If you feel you need more practice with this phrase, click on Needs Improvement. If it feels easy and you think you did pretty well, click on Very Close. This is mainly for review purposes. By the way, you can also choose between slow and natural recordings. Just keep in mind that with natural recordings, the pitch line might not be as clear. If you want to see the pitch pattern more clearly to work on your tones, the slow recording is a better choice. Up in the top left corner, you will see a number. When you click it, you will see all the phrases you have come across in this lesson. If you find any particularly useful and want to review them later, just tap the heart next to them. Your saved phrases can be found on the main page under the term list section in favorites. Besides speaking practice, we also have other types of drills for you to practice. If you want to train your ears to distinguish different Chinese tones, try the tone fill-in drill. You can practice phrases from your favorite list or go through all the phrases. You can choose to listen to either slow or natural audio. Let's go with the slow one for now. 我相信你. 我相信你. Then click Next. Yes, we got it right. And then click Next. You can keep practicing. One tricky thing is that some phrases have tone changes. For example, when two third tones appear together, the first one usually changes to a rising tone. If you rely only on listening, you might think it's a second tone, but it's actually a third tone. The only way to be sure is by learning and understanding the phrase itself. There are also other drill types like listening. where you focus on hearing the phrase and checking if you can remember its meaning.
我相信你。我相信你。
The meaning drill shows you various information about a phrase, and you can try to recall its meaning. Click Show Hint to reveal the answer. If you want to improve your ability to read Chinese characters, try the reading drill. Here you can practice reading characters and guessing their meanings. Click Next to see all the information for each phrase. Finally, there is the speaking drill. It works just like the practice in our main course, but without any instructional cards at the beginning. If you have saved phrases that you want to practice speaking more, you can select favorites and practice them here. Okay, this is the main page. You can click the icon here to go through the lessons from start to finish. Or under the units section, you can see all the lessons and choose the topic that interests you most. Click Go to start a lesson. After completing a lesson, you can practice all the phrases in it using different drill types by clicking Drill under that lesson and selecting the exercise you want. Once you have studied for a while, a review icon will appear under the Continue Learning section. It uses spaced repetition based on what you have practiced to help you remember the phrases better. If you scroll down, you will see the phrases you have saved in favorites. You can also click here to access all 300 phrases in the course. You can expand each phrase to listen to its audio and view its pitch pattern. When browsing the term list, only traditional characters are available for now. But if you start a drill from the list, the system will still use the character version you selected in your settings. We're also working on making simplified characters available for browsing soon. Lastly, I want to introduce an additional tool in the course, located under the App section, the Pitch Contour Recorder. Here you can freely record your speech and see how your pitch performs. You can even upload an audio file and observe its pitch. Just keep in mind that if the speaking speed is very fast or there is background noise in the audio you upload, the pitch of each tone might not be displayed clearly. Alright, if you're interested in trying out this course, you can find the link in the description and comments below. By registering on Emurse for free, you can access the first lesson and try out the drills. You can also click the instant demo in the course link to give it a try. A quick reminder, this is not a traditional instructional course. It's mainly a self-study tool designed to help you learn 300 common Chinese phrases and improve your tongues. If that's what you're looking for, this is perfect for you. Remember to use the discount code GRACE10 to get 10% off until November 30th. I'm super excited to share this mini course with you. I want to give a big thanks to Emurse who helped me bring my vision for the course to life. They added a bunch of new features for my course, and I think they're really going to help learners. In our beta test, we collected a lot of helpful feedback, and we used that to add some new features and improve the course. Thanks to everyone that participated. By the way, Emurse is also recruiting awesome teachers to create courses. So if you're a language teacher, feel free to check out their website to see if it suits your needs. Lastly, let's take a look at a short clip of Brian from Emurse using the tools. He's not a Chinese student, so this is a great example of how the tools can be really helpful for improving tongues, even for a complete beginner.
And so what I like to do is give this a listen once.
请进
See if I can hear it, and then I'm going, before I even record myself, I'm going to shadow along with Grace and practice the pronunciation along with Grace. So we'll do that a couple times.
请进
请进请进请进请进 Okay, now I'm going to record myself for the first time. 请进请进请进请进